Welcome guys to my YouTube channel guys. So guys, I promise you guys that every week at least I'm going to try very good as possible. I'm going to find a way to be make sure that I'll be dropping you guys video here every week, regardless how my schedule is being placed on that week. I'm going to find a way to make sure that I drop you guys content back to back every week, at least two. That's my goal till I'm able to hit up to the number of subscribers I'm looking for. So guys, if you know you have not seen, hit up the subscribe button. So please don't forget to hit up at the end of the week, at the end of the video. So guys, let's go straight to the episode of my weekly recap. Let us go straight to the episode of my weekly trade recap. So for the purpose of this, I'm going to clean up. Okay, let's just start from here. So as you guys know, I always, let me open another browser so that I won't find it very disturbing when it come off network. Okay. So guys, as you guys, as you all know, I normally go straight to my first day of the week, which is on Monday. Then what I normally do is to, let me remove this line. I go to the first day of the week, which is on Monday. I go straight to this option, take my horizontal ray, mark the first. As you can see, this is Friday, this is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. So what I do is to mark the first, the low, the first low of the 4-hour candle. You go again, take the line, then you mark the first 4-hour of the candle. So guys, as you guys can see, for this, you see on the day Monday, the market broke to the upside. At the end of the day, you retrace back and break it to the downside on Tuesday, which it has already given us the information that for this week we are going to be buying regardless what the market do at the end of the week. So guys, for me, I've already chosen that for this week I'm going to be buying. If I should sell, it's going to be on that probability, and it's also going to be on a 50-50 side for me. And secondly, it's going to be on a scalping strategy for me. I'm not going to stay long on that trade. Rather, I will just place one-to-one risk reward, then I leave the trade. The reason why is that it's not aligned with what we agree on the high and low of the week. So for this now, this has already given us a buy setup. So what I'll do now is to go again to my 15 time minutes, my 15 time frame. So for on Tuesday, if you watch at this place around 7 a.m., you know, normally I always wake up before any day I want to trade. I always wake up before 7 a.m., 8 a.m. to analyze the market and see where a possible move is going to take place on that day. So for on Tuesday, when I woke up at 7 a.m., although I woke up late that day, if you watch from this zone, guys, please concentrate on what I'm showing. Like if you watch on this zone, it's already 7:30 a.m. at this spot here. So unfortunately for me, I woke up late that day. If not, I would have taken this buy from here when I saw this bullish candle. But luckily for me, after I seen this small consolidation here, I quickly pick the information that this market is still going to go up from here, which is at the time frame of 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. because normally once I waited till 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., I didn't see any position or I didn't see any trade option for me to trade. For London session that day is already gone for me. I can't be waiting till 10 a.m., 11 a.m. be taking trade because it's already late for me. So what I normally do is to wait at that 7 a.m., which if you watch from here, I miss the trade. But thank God for me, it was never too late for me according to what we are seeing here. So immediately it was 7 a.m. I started seeing this consolidation, which give me the information that this market is still going to go up. So immediately I took my trend line from here and mark it at that time zone, and it broke off from this zone. That was immediately I took the buy. If you watch at the screen, me, I'm going to show you the buy setup, like the trade that day because I took the buy on the trade. So thank God for me on that day, he went to my take profit and ended the trade. So coming back to on Wednesday, the same thing also happen in as much I didn't wake up late, like I woke up on time on this. I woke up very early on this. It was 7 a.m. here. I waited. I also see this small consolidation here, which has already given me the signal that the market is starting warming up, that you want to make a move. So immediately broke this my trend line I took here. That was when I know that the market is going to go to the bullish side. Like I didn't have any option again because see guys, always have in mind that for this week we are on a bullish trend, like based on what the high and low have already given me. So whatever I'm doing, I always go straight to the buy setup of it. If it's going to the down, if it's going to the sell move, like I always have more patience once the thing want to go to the indirect way. But because of that engulfing candle here, that what give me the full signal, the full confirmation that this market is still going to go up on this day, Wednesday. So thank God for me, I quickly see that opportunity. I also took the trade. I think my account was like $50 on that day, which I moved the account to about 100 and something US dollar. Yeah, 100 and something US dollar. That's almost 100 and something percent. So immediately it broke this my trend line. Before then, I've already seen this consolidation. Like that's already giving this sign of consolidation that this market is going to move massive. That I should get ready to take my move and go along with the market. So luckily for me, I took the buy at this bullish candle, put my stop loss at 20 pips or 25 pips. That will always be my stop loss max. So on Wednesday, to God be the glory, I was in profit. I make so much money. So for on Thursday, let me remove this. I didn't take this market because I was not around that day. But for on Thursday, guys, see what happened. Like after London session open, what time is this? This is 6:13, 7 o'clock. So the thing broke this high here. It broke this higher low on this up here. In as much I've not taken my trend line at that zone, but it's a for me the thing has already too early. Like the market have already moved too early to my time frame. In this forex trading, like there's a time zone I normally wait whenever I want to take my trade. Guys, always have that in mind. 7 a.m., 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Once the market passed this zone, it didn't give me any clear confirmation. There's no trading days for me that day, except I want to risk my money trading on the New York session, which I don't normally trade. It's not that I've not traded that New York session before, but I don't just like trade New York session. So for this market on Thursday, it has already moved before my time frame. So what I did that day was to wait to New York session. I just waited for New York session. By then, I've already taken this my horizontal line here. If you watch, so during London New York session, after this consolidation, guys, always take note o, because anytime the market want to cross to any session, you always have this little consolidation or maybe a little retracement before it will start moving to the direction I want to go. So when we were approaching the New York session, the market started warming up. You see this consolidation, it started warming up. So I quickly take my horizontal line from this lane, like I was waiting if the market break this my zone here. Fortunately for me, I will take this trade. Like, so I took the horizontal line here and waited till 1 p.m. The market broke to this side, which is this bullish candle you are seeing. The market broke to this side and immediately took the trade. So guys, this week for me was so much massive profit for me. Even though on Friday too, the market went to the opposite side of the high and low, but still with the help, with also the strategy of my trend line break, I was also in profit if I took the trade at that day. I just waited and I was like, why is this market going to the downside? This was not our agreement. So why are you going to the downside? So since I already make money on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, I just decided that let me just leave the trade, let it just play. But unfortunately for me, the market will have also give me more cash here. If you watch my trend line here, the thing broke here. Just take your trade here, probably push your stop loss up. I will have been massive profit, like crazy profit, with also the help of I think this Friday was NFP news. You can see what is happening there. I will have been massive profit, like crazy profit. So guys, that will be all for the week. I think I'm done for today. So guys, please, if you know you have not still subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit up the subscribe button. Just support us in this movement, help us grow in the number we are anticipated to reach. So guys, don't forget to hit up the subscribe button, like, share this video. Also drop your comment regarding to what I've taught you guys here. If you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'm going to come back and check it and give you the correct answer if I have the answer to the question. So guys, see you next week. See you on my next video. Peace out.